I'm back, you guys. Big boy just got outside in the storm. I had to run out there in my bare feet and it's lightning like crazy. Bad boy. Alright guys, have a great day. Have a great month.
It is not snow, there's not a cloud in the sky. This wonderful weather.
We'll see you next time.
It's caused when the temperature layer
Bye.
near the ground